Hello guys, I'm Anil S. Naik, Assistant Professor in Information Technology Department, WIT, Solapur. So today I'm discussing the software testing, Selenium testing tool concepts through this video tutorial. Selenium is a popular open source web-based automation tool. So through this video tutorial, today I'm going to discuss about how to install the Selenium IDE and Firefox plugin for testing, then introduction to Selenium IDE, then creating a first Selenium IDE. So first I will explain about installing the Selenium IDE and Firebug add-ons. So what you need for the Selenium IDE installation? Selenium IDE installation is one of the test suite of Selenium testing tool. So for this we need first Mozilla Firefox, then active internet connection is required to work on this tool. So if you do not have the Mozilla Firefox yet, so you can just download it from this particular mentioned address. So for that you just go through the web internet and you just download it. So you just download it from this particular link. Yes, you go to this link. So just click on the download Firefox. So from this you can download the Firefox web browser. So the next is launch the Firefox. So once you are downloaded and launch the Firefox, that is open, and navigate it to the this particular Selenium hq.org download. So under this Selenium IDE, so I am already using this Firefox web browser. So in this so launch the Firefox and go to the particular link that I mentioned in the PPT. So that is seleniumhq.org. So in this link, so under this Selenium IDE section, click on the link that shows the current version number. So this is the website for the Selenium testing tools. So here you will get all the details, so like the different projects, and so here the main thing is that you have to concentrate on download section. So you have to download the Selenium and you'll get some documentation supporting files. So in the Selenium, this download option, so you go to the Selenium IDE. So here is the Selenium IDE. So in this Selenium IDE is a Firefox plugin which records playback user interactions with the browser. So now we are dealing with the Selenium IDE. So just you download the latest version of add-ons. So this is the add-on for your browser, and you click on the add to Firefox. So yes, it is downloading, and just click on the install. So it is for security purpose. Okay, you will get a message. Okay, once you are downloaded, you are added the Selenium IDE, then yes, so these procedures were completed. Add on Selenium IDE, then we are added. So added the IDE, then after the Firefox, so you have to restart and launch the Selenium IDE using, there are two options, two ways. The first is by pressing Ctrl Alt plus S. That is one option to launch the Selenium IDE. and another is Firefox menu button. So for this you go to the menu button of Firefox browser, web developer, and in that Selenium ID. So that I will show you. So go to the browser. So in that the options, there are two options are there. One is for by pressing Ctrl Alt plus S and Selenium ID. So that I will show you. So open the browser. So here you go to the tools. In the tools, so if it is not visible, then web developer. So okay, just to go to the option, settings option. So in that, go to add-ons. Yes, add-ons. So just now we added one plugin. Okay, yes, it is there, Selenium IDE. So just to enable this and restart the browser. So now this our Selenium tool is added in the browser. So now it is enabled, and here you can see. So yes, you can now check it out. Previously it was not there. Now your Selenium ID is there in the Firefox browser. So next, so once you are added, so you can, it look like this after launching the Selenium ID. So go to the browser, and you know there are two options, Control plus Alt plus S. So and one more is tool and Selenium ID. So just to click on that, and you will get this ID. So okay, I will show you. Okay, so this is the Selenium IDE once after launching the in Firefox browser. So next we will discuss about installation of Firebug add-on. So Firebug is a Firefox add-on that we will use to inspect the HTML elements of web application under test. So it will provide us the name of the element that our Selenium command would act upon. So what are the steps that we have to follow for Firebug download? So first step is use the Firefox to navigate to the Firebug's download page. So just I will click this, I will copy the link. Okay. So next you go to the browser. Yes, you copy the link that what you pasted. So it will connecting to the Firebug website. So yes, it is there, the Firebug web development. Okay, so that is a Firebug for Firefox. So this is the current version. So next, so once you open, you will get this page. Okay, so after this, the step 2 is Firefox will take you to its Firebug download section, and just you have to click on the Add to Firefox button. Okay, so I'll navigate to the Firefox browser. Yes, here you can see. Okay, just to download it. Okay, once you download it, you will get this add-ons, that is Firebug, the new version, and click on the Add to Firefox button. Okay, it is showing and it is downloading, and after that you have to install it. Okay, so you have to wait for the Firefox to complete the downloading this add-on. On the dialog box that comes after the click, just you install now. Then step 4 is wait for the installation to complete. A notification will pop up saying that Firebug has been installed successfully, and you can immediately close this pop-up, or sometimes it may be disappear. So the next step is launch the Firebug by doing either of these two methods. First is press the F12 button on your keyboard, then click on the Firebug button on the upper right corner of the Firefox window. So that I will show you. So just to install it, and once you are installed, okay, so once you are installed, so your Firebug add-on that will show in your Firefox browser. The next step is the Firefox should launch at the bottom of the Firefox as shown below. So it should look like this. So here we can see in the browser. So here you can just click on the Firebug button. Okay, so this, after clicking on the Firebug button, it look like this. Okay, so this Firebug is used to inspect the HTML elements on a web application. So this is how it looks. So here in you can see the HTML code. Okay. So in the next tutorial we can discuss about this, how to use the Firebug element and how to use the Selenium IDE in detail. Thank you.